We are the Foundation of Southern Oregon. We provide services to individuals with disabilities.
My name's Amber.
My name's Debbie Holmes.
My name's Jennifer Cohen.
And this is Kit Kat.
We've had this building for about a year now, and it's held up very well. We purchased a horse arena.
I believe it's a 90 by 170.
We use the building for training horses, horse classes, that kind of thing.
One of the things that we enjoy doing is riding in the arena because we can work the horses in there, we can work with the kids in there. We're getting some stuff set up eventually that we can actually play games in there with the horses and the kids as well.
The kids we have, a lot of them, they are nonverbal, they have to walk with ambulation devices, and they can control a 1,700 pound horse. They might go take a mini or a goat for a walk. They might hike on one of our trails. We have a highly trained staff that supports them, and it gives parents and caregivers the time off, knowing that we have the kids, we can take care of them, and they can go read a book, sit under a tree, go get coffee, or just go to sleep in their car. They don't have control of probably anything else like that in their life. They have to have assistance in most everything else they do until they get on this horse.
It helps us to do our job. It protects us from the elements in the winter time.
We would not be able to do the work we do if we did not have that building. It protects us in the winter from the rain and then from the sun in the summer. We couldn't do our work with our kids without that arena.